Applying for a PNC Bank USA credit card involves a few straightforward steps. However, it's important to note that for many PNC credit cards, if you are not already a PNC Bank customer, you will likely need to apply in person at a physical PNC Bank branch. Here are the general steps. 1. Explore PNC credit card options. Visit the PNC Bank website and navigate to the Credit Cards section. Review the different credit cards they offer. As of late 2024, early 2025, some of their popular personal credit cards include PNC Cash Rewards Visa Credit Card, offers tiered cash back, e.g., 4% on gas, 3% on dining, 2% on groceries for the first $8,000 in combined annual purchases. Often has a sign-up bonus. PNC Cash Unlimited Visa Signature Credit Card, offers unlimited 2% cash back on all purchases. May have a sign-up bonus. PNC Secured Visa Credit Card, a credit building card requiring a security deposit, and applications for this card must be done in person. PNC Points Visa Credit Card, often closed to new applications but worth checking, allows earning points for rewards. Consider the rewards, annual fees. Most PNC personal cards have no annual fee, introductory April offers, and other benefits to choose the card that best suits your needs. 2. Check if you're pre-approved, optional. PNX website sometimes has a tool to check for pre-approved offers without impacting your credit score. Look for a Check for Pre-Approved Offers link in the credit card section. 3. Gather your information. Whether applying online, if you are an existing customer for some cards, or in person, you'll need to have the following information ready. Personal information, full name, current address, and previous address if you've lived at your current one for less than 2 years, date of birth, social security number. Contact information, phone number and email address. Financial information, employment status, income, monthly housing payment. 4. Apply online, for existing PNC customers for select cards. If you are an existing PNC Bank customer, you might be able to apply for certain credit cards online through your PNC online banking portal. Navigate to the credit card you've chosen on the PNC website and look for an Apply Now button. If you are eligible to apply online, you will likely be prompted to log into your PNC account. Carefully fill out the online application form with the information you've gathered. Review the terms and conditions before submitting your application. 5. Apply in person at a PNC Bank branch, highly likely for new customers. If you are not a current PNC Bank customer, or if you are applying for the PNC Secured Visa Credit Card, you will need to visit a physical PNC Bank branch to apply. Locate the nearest PNC Bank branch using their branch locator tool on their website. Go to the branch and speak with a bank representative about applying for the credit card you've chosen. They will guide you through the application process and provide you with the necessary forms to fill out. Make sure to bring the information you gathered in step 3. 6. Review and submit your application. Whether online or in person, carefully review all the information you've provided before submitting your application to ensure accuracy. 7. Wait for a decision. PNC Bank will review your application. You might receive a decision relatively quickly in some cases, but it can sometimes take a few days or even weeks. They will notify you of their decision by mail or email. Important considerations. Credit score. PNC will evaluate your creditworthiness as part of the application process. Ensure you have a good credit score to increase your chances of approval. Eligibility requirements. PNC has specific eligibility criteria for their credit cards, which they will assess during the application review. This can include factors like your credit history, income, and existing relationship with PNC. Bonus restrictions. Be aware of any restrictions on sign-up bonuses, such as only being eligible if you haven't received a bonus for the same card in the past 24 months. Secured card deposit. For the PNC Secured Visa Credit Card, you will need to provide a security deposit between $300 and $2,500 to secure your credit line. In summary, the most important step for applying for a PNC Bank credit card, especially if you are a new customer, is to visit a local PNC Bank branch to start the application process. Existing PNC customers may have the option to apply online for select cards. Always check the PNC Bank website for the most up-to-date information and specific application instructions for the card you are interested in.